Hello everybody. Today I'd like to share with you about Chainwhiz. So they are a bounty marketplace for Web3 companies. So typically when I think of bounties, I think of this kind of bug bounty programs. So this kind are usually programs rewarding ethical hackers for finding bugs in their software or operating system. Now in the case of Chainwhiz, the use case extends more than just a bug bounty. So today if you are a project owner, you can of course use Chainwhiz for bug bounty, but you can also use it to set up other kinds of bounties like content bounties or different tasks for Web3 users to solve, and by solving, they get reward in crypto. Now, let's take a look at how to create a bounty and the type of rewards you can give. Now, to create a bounty, you will click on Post a Bounty, and here you will be brought to a bounty page. Now, in this example, I am creating a content bounty. So it's about writing a Twitter thread on how Creator DAO is building the Web3 creator economy. So click next. You'll be asked to input text. This is to facilitate easy searching on the platform. And we have the evaluation criteria. Next, we also have the bounty URL. Now, if you are doing a bug bounty, you will put in your GitHub link. In my example, because it is a content bounty, I'll put in the Twitter account. Now, for the rewards, you can actually choose paid or unpaid, which is upskill. So suppose I choose paid, and I'll get to put in the bounty time. Next, I'll put in the reward. Now, this 10 metric is the total bounty reward. Following that, there's an interesting selection, which is turning on the community voting. Now, suppose you are doing a bounty and there are a lot of submissions. In the case of you doing one by one, you can actually have the community to do the voting for you. And if you choose community voting, then you have to put in community reward, followed by the expected time for community voting. Then there will be two questions that comes to mind. So number one is, why do you need the community reward, and how do we ensure that the voting system is authentic? So number one, for a user to vote, they have to stake a certain amount of token. And if the solution that they are voting is not the highest voted one at the end of the voting phase, they actually lose a percentage of their stake. So this actually ensures that the voters coming in choose the best solution for the bounty. Another one will be, why would they be motivated to vote? This is because if they have staked and voted on the solution, and the solution end up being the highest voted one, they actually receive back their original tokens plus some extra tokens as a form of incentive. Now coming back, after putting in all the information, when you click next, you'll be asked to confirm that the address belongs to you, and you will sign a transaction and your bounty will be done. Now suppose you are a Web3 user. You come to the platform looking to upskill yourself or solve bounty for rewards. Using this bounty as an example, you click on it and you will get to see the details, and you also find the resources. Now this example is a unpaid bounty, and currently there are 3 applications. Clicking on the resources, for the example, there is actually rewards. It's just that it's not crypto but swags, and it's only available for Japan, India, and Philippines. Now, technically for DAO owners, you can also leverage on Chainwhiz as a tool and use it so that you can post your DAO tasks here and have your DAO members complete the task, and they can submit the solution via Chainwhiz. Currently, Chainwhiz is on Polygon network and has not issued any token. So if you are a project owner or DAO operator, you might want to explore using Chainwhiz as a tool. And for disclosure, this is part of the partnership with Creator DAO, and I do not hold any Chainwhiz token. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.